Hello, my name is Noam Swissa, and I'm the Global Customer Care Manager at Maytronics. Today we'll discuss what to do if your robot seems to get stuck at the deep side of the pool and is not able to climb up. We have 4 main reasons that could lead our robot to getting stuck at that area. The first one being that our impeller is either clogged or blocked by debris. Make sure while the robot is outside of the pool that you are examining the impeller, and if you notice any debris, free it from that debris. The second thing to verify is our filters. Make sure that they are not clogged or full, and if they do seem to be that, simply clean them per our usual procedure. Third thing would be the brushes themselves. Since our robots are moving on those brushes along the floor, it is always important to make sure that they are not worn off or even torn off. Additionally to that, it is also important to make sure that the brushes that we are using are fitting to the pool coating type that we own. In case you own a semi-slippery or a very slippery pool coating type, such as fiberglass or ceramics, make sure to upgrade or use the brush that is intended for that pool coating type. Last but not least is to verify that the pool's chemicals are intact and balanced. If not, it can heavily affect the robot's movements and maneuverability inside the pool. Make sure that the temperature range is always between 15 and 35 degrees Celsius to ensure that the robot is able to climb properly.